Okay, so the second best IDE I have recommended for you, that that is best in my personal opinion, as a PL SQL developer. It's by all-round automation. So for demo purpose, you can download free trial version, which is a 30 days version. And this is, I have found this best IDE. So at current date, when I'm recording this video, 15.0 is the latest version, but I have downloaded and I've purchased another version already. So it's a PL SQL 13. I have a key also, so let's install it. I can install the trial version. It is a 64-bit installer, so it by default it will install in program files. Click next, complete, next, install. Finish. So I will run it. So again it will ask our username and password, and we will put that. As I explained in my previous video, that we can find out our SID and service name from our DB network and DNS. One DNS names. So here it will ask my username and password. I will put that, and here my available connection will already show. Okay, connect it as normal. So here it is. It will ask you a product key. I have already purchased that, but you can download and install that for 30 days version, a trial version. Okay.